Personal CoPilot in the newest vehicles with BMW Operating System 7 offers supremely comfortable and safe motoring. Assisted driving can be activated with just one click of a button. You can select different modes of assistance with the Mode button. A green symbol in the instrument cluster indicates an active system. Yellow LEDs on the steering wheel and a symbol in the instrument cluster indicate that the system needs you to take over. In case you did not notice yet, red LEDs and a warning sound now clearly show the urgency to take action. The system now really has to be taken over. The extensively expanded range of driver assistance systems in current BMWs paves the way to automated driving. Continue watching our How To series to get the most out of your BMW.